Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable auto update system configurations on a Samsung phone. This feature helps your device automatically receive important system configuration updates in the background, but you can control it anytime based on your preference. First of all, open the settings menu. From the settings page, scroll down and locate the connections option. Tap on it to open the page. Next, inside the connections menu, scroll down and find more connection settings. Tap on it to enter the next page. Here, you will see several advanced options related to your device's network and system behavior. Now look for auto update system configurations. Once you find it, tap on the option. You will see a toggle switch next to it. To enable auto update system configurations, simply tap the toggle to turn it on. When enabled, your phone will automatically receive system configuration updates to improve performance, security, and overall stability. If you want to disable auto update system configurations, tap the same toggle again. This will turn the feature off, and your phone will no longer update system configurations automatically. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more useful Samsung tips and tricks.